Place the suction tube in the clean water bucket. Turn the machine on to prime. Insert the prime tube into the paint bucket to save the material still in the machine. Just before the paint becomes too watery, replace the paint bucket with the scrap bucket. Continue to run the machine on prime until the material comes out clear. Turn the machine on to spray. Now we're going to spray the material from inside the hose into the paint bucket. And then when that becomes watery, we will spray it into the scrap bucket. Spray until the water comes out clear like this. Now it's time to clean the tip. Screw on the spray guard with the tip in the reverse position. Spray the inside wall of the scrap bucket. Alternate between the reverse and forward position. This will blow out the remaining paint in the tip.